Today we're testing out this VEVOR Beach card and see how it performs. Let's go ahead and get started. If you ever went to the beach and you parked far away, you know how tough that can be. And usually people have way more than this. But today I wanted to take it light to do some filming, so I'm gonna use it for my gear. But if you go to the beach, of course you have your towels, your coolers, your chairs, you name it. I have my portable power station, I have my camera bag, I have my tripod, and we are ready to test it out in the sand because this is supposed to be incredible in the sand. So let's go ahead and test it out. It comes with big 12-inch solid wheels, 165-pound load rating, built-in cargo straps, and folds down for trunk storage. And on paper, that sounds very exciting, but you know, the beach sand can definitely be a real trouble. So today, we're going to load the VEVOR Beach Dolly, move it through the real sand, and see if it's actually worth it. The VEVOR Beach Dolly is a beach cart built for the sand, and instead of carrying the cooler, the chairs, the bags, and other stuff in separate trips, you load everything into this one thing and you move it all in one go. The cargo deck is 29.9 by 15.4 inches, which it feels like a practical size. It's big enough to carry the proper beach load, but not huge that it becomes annoying to store or push around. And the frame is rust-proof aluminum, and it's a smart choice for something that is going to live around the sand, the salt air, the wet gear, and seawater. But don't get too excited already because these wheels are the real deal. They're 12-inch solid and have that wide beach cart look, and the cherry on top is that you don't have to inflate them. You also get the adjustable handle that goes from 27 inches up to 44.7 inches. So whether someone tall is pulling it or someone shorter is using it, that won't be much trouble. Alright guys, the first impressions is that it looks quite nice and it is very, very portable, very small and extremely light. Despite the wheels being this big, it is pretty light. We have this storage bag that once you fold up, it will be right behind you, so you can store whatever you need. It is breathable, so that's great that nothing is gonna smell. It's adjustable, whoever is gonna be pulling it, easy to fold up. And then we have the straps over here that are going to help you secure all of your gear. So let's go ahead and start by naming the main feature because it's very obvious. It is the big 12-inch solid wheels because there's no inflation, no pump, no flat tire troubles. But the real test is very simple. Do they roll over the dry sand or do they sink like regular wheels? And to be honest, there was no hesitation to roll in the sand. Now, one of my favorite features is definitely going to be the wheels because this, you don't need to inflate them. You don't need a pump, nothing. You just literally put them on, secure them, and this thing is very, very solid. So whether you're going on hard ground or the sand or wet sand, this is not going to be a problem. Not going to, puncture, nothing. This is straight, put it on, secure it, and you're ready to go. Up next, we got the 165-pound load capacity because 165 pounds, this is pretty good. And today I didn't have everything for the beach because today I was just mostly testing out everything about this cart, especially the wheels in the sand. And I usually do productions outdoors, especially at the beach. So this is a perfect dolly cart, so you don't have to pull too hard or pull a muscle. But this is the perfect setup for your usual beach gear. The cooler, the chairs, the umbrella, the bags, the water bottles, and it still feels stable and easy to move. And to me, that's definitely a big win. On top of that, we have the aluminum frame because the frame is a rust-proof aluminum, which makes sense for beach use. You got sand, salt air, and wet gear that can definitely be rough on the carts, and the aluminum frame, it makes it so much easier to clean, gives you that long-term reliability, and it still looks very nice. Not only that, we also have the adjustable handle because the handle adjusts from 27 inches to 44.7 inches, and that means that different people can use it without bending awkwardly or pulling at a weird angle. And you also have the foldable design that it folds 90 degrees for storage, which pretty much solves the storage troubles altogether. Put it in your car, put it in your storage, under your bed, and next time you want to use it, just simply take it out, unfold it, and you're ready to go. And when it comes to keeping things in place, the built-in straps help you keep your gear in place. And I will test this over the bumps, the grass, the sand transitions. Everything that's inside would slide around or it would stay in place. And of course, it stayed in place because the built-in straps are here for that. And now on to one of the most important aspects of buying a product, which is definitely the price. and this comes in at $109, and it's definitely cheaper than a lot of those bigger beach carts, and given how it's built, I think this is definitely a strong value pick. So if you're going to the beach this summer, this should definitely be under your radar. And I think this is mainly going to be for frequent beachgoers, family with kids, and anyone who brings more than just one towel. And yes, if your beach day involves coolers, chairs, umbrellas, bags, toys, and wait, I forgot something in the car, this is going to make a lot of sense. But this is also great for people who don't want to spend over $200 in the cart, but still want something stronger than a basic folding wagon. So if you only go to the beach once in a year and carry one small bag, I think you don't really need this. But if your beach trips are serious and it's part of your routine, this is definitely going to save you a lot of effort. So is the VEVOR Beach Dolly an upgrade? I would definitely say yes, it is, especially for the price, because you're getting big wheels that are the main reason to consider it. The aluminum frame feels practical, the built-in straps are very useful, the adjustable handle helps, and the 90-degree fold makes it easier to store. So at around $110, if it handles the real sand with the full beach load and is able to pull smoothly, I think this is a very solid choice. So after testing it, I absolutely recommend it. It's definitely an upgrade, especially if you frequent the beach quite a lot. You won't be struggling so hard pulling that cart that always stays stuck in the sand. And because of the big 12-inch wheels, it's going to be a peace of mind. Very smooth process, just pulling in. It's not going to dig into the sand, and it's going to make the process a lot smoother, and it's actually going to be going to the beach and relaxing instead of stressing out, pulling everything from the parkway, and especially if you park far away, that's going to be very, very uncomfortable. So definitely recommend it. Go ahead and check out the link down in the description below if you are interested in purchasing one of these. We do have a discount available. Stay tuned for more content, and go ahead and like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.